Discussing on like different types of methods, we have user defined method and inbuilt method, right? User defined method and default method. In user defined method, we have there are 4 types. What are the 4 types? With argument, without return type. Second one, with argument, without return type. With return type, with argument and with return type. No. First, we'll go for without argument and without return type. We'll create one example. Example for creating without argument and without return type. Okay. Then first we need to create normally class. The normally class name I am going to use as without argument. One more is without return type. No, the same I copy, pasting. Here I am writing as without return type. Then open the bracket, close the bracket. Then first we need to create a method. So creating a method, we have a syntax like first we need to write access modifier, return type, with argument and without argument. First, I'm public, okay, public, static, without return type. They are calling as without return type. Without return type means which one we need to write? Void. 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 No main. If here we are creating user defined method. You can create with the name of any method name. Okay. If I am going to create with method as a Brilliant Academy, just first word should be small letter. Capital letter. Academy. Oh, okay. Then they are asking without return type and without argument. So that here I am not passing any argument. Because of first one only without argument and without return type. Without return type means void. Without argument means I am not passing any argument inside this. Just I am going to print system.out.println of inside that without, just I am writing the same thing. The method when yes. See, yes, sir. If you want to create a method, this is the syntax. What is the syntax means? Access modifier, return type, method name with argument and without argument. First, if you go for example for main method, public is a access modifier. Modifier is a static. Return type is a void. Method name is main. With argument, they are passing strings and arguments they are going to pass. Strings arrays they are passing. Either we can use access modifier as whatever these 4 inside it, anyone can use it. Public, private, default or protected. For access modifier means static, abstract, final, synchronized. In what is return type means? Return type it is used to specify the inside the method which type we need to write. Either if they are asking with the in return type, there are 3 types of return types will be there. One is primitive return type, non-primitive return type, and void. If they are asking with the return type, means we need to mention either any primitive or non-primitive return type. If they are mentioning without return type, means we need to mention as void. That's it. Method name, we can write the method name in anything, but the first word should be written in the small letter. The next word first letter should be capital. Okay. Here I've written like this. Next, I need to be printed as public static void main string arrays. Open the bracket, close the bracket. The execution will be start from, in Java, execution will be start from main method. The execution will be ends from main method only. If you want to know, it will be start from main method and ends from main method. I just for first I am writing as a inside the system.out.println start. Okay. Then again, I need to call this method. Yes, no? I told you whenever I am going to explain with the method, I told you, see here, it is our responsibility to call or invoke the method during an execution of the program. Okay. That means execution of the program will start from main method. Here I need to call this method, I need to call inside the main method. How to call? Using the method name we are going to call. What is my method name? Brilliant Academy. I'm going to copy, I'm pasting. Just then again at the end, if I want to know execution will be start from and execution will be end from main method. No? So that just I am written as system.out. And all. Don't require. Okay. Like without return type and with return type, we can use anyway. Like if you want, you can use it. If you want to print any variable or any value of integer, double, whatever the data type, we are using return type. For example, if you go for any bank account, in the normally if I have any machines, they have like multiple choice. First, we need to withdraw or deposit, or I need to change my PIN. Like that, we have an option. If you click on particular first, if you want to click on the change PIN, then that needs to be called only method of change PIN. If you're going to for withdraw amount, then we need to give the condition only withdraw method need to be called. Then we have whatever the performance. What is the method means? It is the set of instruction which is used to perform some specific action, some specific performance it will be do. In withdraw method, it will be performance will be done for only withdraw things. Whatever the deposit, only deposit things it will be happening. If it is the change pin, only it is asking new pin and confirm pin, then it will be changed. Like that, only that particular method we are performing only particular things of things. So that reason only method is one advantage is to create like any applications. Here I'm given like numbers. Still we have lots of things. Sir. This is basic. Yeah. See, because of without argument, without return type. I'm not passing any argument here, not value only. Here also, I'm not passing any return type, just I'm written as a void. I need to call this method. No. This is like that only, but still starting, no? So that way. See, sir, like we we need to create a method like this. This is my method. Mainly main method is this one, public static void main of string arrays. If you want to create like that, another whatever we want, like withdraw method I want, display method, this deposit method I want.
What is that main method says?
Main method, it will be always execution to execute the program.
Whatever
It will execute. That means inside the main method, what is there, only that much is executed. For example, here you are created one method, Brilliant Academy. If you didn't call this method inside the main method, it will not printing. It will not call also. Main method only. We need to call. Whenever if you create n number of method also, we need to call particular method during an execution of the program. We can create n number of methods. But it is our responsibility to call or invoke the method during an execution of the program. That means execution of the program will start from main method. Execution of the program will end from main method. Whenever if you call another method, it will go to that method also. But again, it will come back and check after that any program, anything will be there in the main method. Then only the execution is going to be stopped. Is there no sir? Here. Public static void main strings arrays. In that I am written system.out.println of start. Then Brilliant Academy method I call. Then I am printing a scale. First it is calling here. That is only, it is our responsibility to call the method during an execution of the program. Output will be end will come. Yeah. Correct.
Suppose there are 10 lines are there, whenever you want to call that method, you can call it.
The call there. Yeah, that is the purpose.
My point is, this is without argument, without.
Yeah.
Then so why
Because void means inside the Brilliant Academy any values. Yeah. With argument. Instead of void, if this is without return type, void means. With return type means any data type you can mention, either integer, double, string, character, like that. Any return type you can. I need to save. I need to run the program, no? To run the program, Java C file name. File name is this one.java. Any error? No error. Then Java file name. Enter. Start without argument, without return type. You can say, like, this is basic, no? You can, but still, whenever it comes to the collection arrays and all this, lots of inheritance and all difficult, I think. That will be like 60, 70 lines of codes will be there. 60, 70, 80, 90 lines, 100 lines like that. Concept you can, yeah.
What you are doing,
yeah.
Programming. What is the outcome? What is the outcome? What do you mean?
Outcome, before that understanding, like where the program will start, how it will go, and again how it will come back and it will end. The way of tracking of the program will be there. No? That is important.
Slowly will go.
For that girl, send this to records. Without this, again, full whole Java is not done.
Cannot know, right? Still will go further. Yeah. Huh? ఎవరు వాళ్ళు? అవసరం వాళ్ళు. నేను ఫోన్ చేసి కొట్టేవాళ్ళు కాదు వాళ్ళు. కొట్టేవాళ్ళు పిల్లలు. హెచ్చరించుకోండి. వాళ్ళు ఎంత?
Today Monday, na? I thought Saturday. I don't know why. Seriously, I don't know if this is today is Monday, right? Sir, I written every student's names and all. Future list, no, sir. This list only. I written all students. Java.
It's done, no?
Only for Java is done, no?
This is for advanced.
No. Sir, like whatever you paid, I minus it. You paid already 8,500 for this booth because 6,500 you did. They both, you need to pay like 11.
What is this 4,000? Advanced Java 6,000.
Two.
One. 4,000, madam. For Java.
No, for Java, no. That is Python, sir.
Python.
Is that Python?
SQL.
SQL, HTML, CSS, everything.
Python.
Full Python, everything.
Who is Abu?
There are 4 members coming. Bharat, Abu, Dhanashekhar and Shivani. They took leave, no, sir. Today, from today they are. Dhanashekhar, one boy is coming from Moscow. He came today. Tomorrow he was coming. Like some problem issues is there. He messaged me. Like
Who is Anish?
Harish at AWS. Sota.
That's why, yeah. We need to, but the 23,000 GST 18%, how much it will?
3,000 it will go.
Sure. 23,000, 3,000.
In 20,000, 10,000.
It will put the 36. Oh, madam, 4,000. I check one. That's not a problem, but thank you. This is the good calculation.
You only took, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
What about, whose space are there?
Yeah, that's I didn't written anything. Still now started. More 1.5 months it will be for AWS full time.
Yeah, yeah.